Okay, very good morning everyone. So today we are going to learn the chapter which is related to the measurement of something mass. Suppose you used to go to the market for purchasing rice, sugar or such kind of thing, apples, potatoes, onion or any kind of vegetable, then you might have seen they used to measure that how much is the weight of the particular thing. After then whatever the your requirement, you may ask for 1 kilogram, you may ask for 2 kilogram, you may ask for half kilograms, you may ask for 200 grams something, you may ask for 100 grams also. So about these all units of measurement we will see in this chapter. So chapter number is 10. Chapter name is measurement of weight. Okay, how can we measure the weight of anything, and how can we convert one unit to another, as like gram to kilogram or kilogram to gram? How can we add the measurement of weight? How can we subtract? How can we multiply? So these all things about some practical uses, which we can say the word problems, we will see in this particular class. Okay, so first thing, whenever we are talking about the weight, it is asking about the unit of weight. So unit of weight, there are lots of unit of weight as like kilogram, gram, okay, then these are the especially things which will be useful in your class. So first important thing is the kilogram, which is the standard unit of weight. Okay, so we'll write the standard unit of weight is standard unit of weight is kilogram, or we used to write in short as like kg. Okay, so in short we used to write kg, or the unit is kilogram. And after then, if we are talking about the smallest unit, okay, so the smaller unit means the smaller unit which we used in our calculations, that is talking about. So smaller unit we will learn about the gram, or we used to write in short gm. Okay, gram. And the one most important thing is here, whenever you want to convert kilogram to gram or gram to kilogram, that you should know ki 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So whenever you are talking about 1 kilogram, so 1 kilogram means 1000 gram. So 1000 gram means 1 kilogram. So what will happen for 2000 gram? 2 kilogram. For 7000 gram, 7 kilogram. Okay, or suppose vice versa, if I say kilogram to gram, in case of 9 kilogram, 9000 gram, right? So if I am writing here 5000 gram, that means 5 kilogram. In the same way, if I am saying how much will be 9 kilogram, so 9 kilogram will be equal to 9000 gram. Okay, So gram normally sometime we used to write simply g also. तो आपका बुक में सिंपली g है तो हम लोग g लिखेंगे, ठीक है, सो g ही लिखेंगे. सो 1000 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1 किलोग्राम. सो दिस इज हाउ 5000 ग्राम विल बी 5 किलोग्राम, 9000 ग्राम विल बी 9 किलोग्राम. Now these are the in case of 1000. What happens if it is not rounded up to 1000? अगर thousands के बाद और कोई डिजिट रहे और कोई नंबर्स रहे, ones place, 100 place और 10 place में भी, so then how we can convert? Let's see. So then also it is very easy. We will just separate the 1000 places number with the hundreds, tens and ones. So the most important thing about that we will learn after some questions from exercise 10 point, after discussing some questions from exercise 10.1. So some questions we are discussing from 10.1. First question it is asking is the standard unit of weight. Just now we have learned the standard unit of weight. Show the standard unit of weight the standard unit of weight. So first option it is here किलोग्राम. So पहला ऑप्शन जो है यही है किलोग्राम का. So definitely first options will be the correct options. Liter and kilometer are not the unit of weight because liter हम लोग liquid चीज को मेजर करने के लिए करते हैं और किलोमीटर we used to measure for the distance, measuring the distance, right? So options A will be the correct options. Second question is asking, which is the not second one, actually the second of the first part. Okay, this is asking 48 kilogram kg minus 32 kilogram so kg. So 48 kilogram minus 32 kilogram is equal to how much? So it's very simple, just you have to subtract this. That means you have to just find the difference of these two. So if you find the difference of these two, so let us see how much will be the answer. So 2 plus 6 is 8, so 6 is in ones place, then 3 plus 1 is 4, so 1 is in tens place. So we can see 16 kilogram is the difference coming, which we have option number B. So option number B will be the correct answer in this case. Okay, now if we are talking about the some questions from क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 से अब कुछ क्वेश्चंस अगर हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं. These are the two questions which we have based on MCQ, multiple choice question. Now we'll discuss about the second question. Second question is find the sum of, just you have to find the sum. Okay, so find the sum of, so some numbers are given, you have to find the sum of those all numbers. As like if we are taking first one which we have is 72 kilogram and 82 kilogram. So this is very easy because you have to just add these two. So how much will be the sum? Let us see. Okay, so here 2 plus 2 is 4 and then 8 plus 7 is 7 to 14 plus 1 is 15. So 154 kilogram is coming the sum of this. So this is how very simply you can do the rest of all also. If it is 2 or 3 numbers are there, you can very simply do. So 12 kilogram, 52 kilogram, 52 kilogram and 120 gram and 120 kilogram. So these are the three numbers which we have. Now very simply just you have to add these three numbers. So we can add these three numbers. Let us see how we can do. So very simply we will start with the right hand side. So 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4, then 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, and here we have 1 only. So 184 kilogram is the answer coming. So 184 kilogram will be the answer. You can just do the rough work here also for the to show. So 120 kilogram, then 52 kilogram, then 12 kilogram. Okay, then just add it. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1. This much of kilogram. So rough work you can do here. After then, if we are talking about in case of kilogram, if it is gram, so definitely that will be gram only. Now let us talk some questions about the third question which we have. Third question is find the difference. So in the same way we will just do the subtraction. So here it is asking find the difference. Find the difference. So let us take the first one which it is there. So 78 kilogram and 92 kilogram. So these two are the number. You have to find the difference. That means you have to subtract 78 is the lowest number and 92 is the greatest. So from 92 you have to subtract 78. So here let us write like this. So 92 kilogram minus 78 kilogram is equal to how much? We'll check here in the rough work. So 92 minus 78. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So 4. This will be 8. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 14. That means 14 kilogram will be the difference of first one. In the same way you can do the difference, or you can find the difference of the rest of all questions also. As like, let us take some question. If we are talking about the fifth one, which we have 900 gram and 260 gram. So you have to find the difference of these two. So very definitely this is the greater number, this much you have to subtract. So we will write 900 gram minus 260 gram is equal to how much? We'll do here the rough work. So 900 and 260, 0, 6 plus 4 is 10, this will be 8, so 2 plus 6 is 8, 640. So 650 gram will be the answer. So this is how very easily you can do the difference or you can do the subtraction. Okay, rest of all I hope you can able to do. Next topic which we have is the conversion of kilograms into gram and gram into kilograms. Okay, so the next topic we are going to learn is the conversion. So how can we convert conversion of first kilogram into grams? So first we will learn how to convert kilogram into, so first we will see how can we convert kilogram into gram. सबसे पहले हम लोग ये देखेंगे अगर कोई डिजिट किलोग्राम में दिया हुआ है तो उसको ग्राम में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है. सो इट मे बी एनी नंबर एज वी सेड वी नो 1 किलोग्राम is equal to 1000 gram. So very easily whatever the kilogram it will ask, we can simply multiply that much with the 1000. So if it is asking 5 kilogram, then it will be 5 into 1000 gram, that means 5000 gram. Okay, in the same way if it is asking 8 kilogram, so this will be 8000 gram. But here suppose both together now, kilogram and gram, then what will happen, or then how can we convert? So suppose now we have kilogram and gram together. Okay, so how kilogram and gram together? Suppose 5 or 6 kilogram and 250 gram. So now what we will do is, we know 6 kilogram means 6000 gram and 250 gram is the 250 gram. So we'll add these two. So 6 kilogram is equal to 6000 gram plus this one will be 250 gram. So 250 gram. So now these two are in same unit. So this will be 6000 plus 250 is 6250 gram. So इस तरह से बहुत ही इजीली जो किलोग्राम है that much of 1000 and rest of all whatever in gram that much of gram. So now what will be if I am saying 7 kilogram and 45 gram, इस केस में क्या होगा? इस केस में 7 किलोग्राम is the 7000 gram, right? Plus 45 gram is means 45 gram only. So if you add 7000 plus 45, it will be 7045 gram. Okay, so this is how very easily you can convert kilogram into gram. So whatever the kilogram and gram में दिया हुआ रहे उसको भी आप ग्राम में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो with this process. Okay, that's all for today. Your homework will be exercise 10.1. So your today's homework is to do exercise 10.1. Thank you everyone. Have a good time. Take care and bye bye.